Welcome to page 12 of Accel Pkt number 3. On this page, we're going to practice solving two-step equations. Let's read. In order to solve two-step equations, we have to do the following. First, use the inverse operation for any addition or subtraction. Second, use the inverse operation for any multiplication or division. Let's take a closer look together. Let's start with problem number 3. Drop a dotted line and let's begin. Let's eliminate our gain of 11. Using subtraction, we'll subtract 11 from the left and 11 from the right. We zero out that term and we're left with 7a equals 28. Now we have to eliminate our 7. Do the opposite or the inverse operation and divide both sides by 7. A equals, 28 divided by 7 is simply 4. And the last one together, number 5. Drop a dotted line and begin. Start by taking 3 away from both sides and eliminate this term. Now we have x divided by 2 equals 9. Now it's time to eliminate divided by 2. Well, we're going to do the inverse or the opposite. We're going to multiply the left by 2 over 1, fraction form because that side is in fraction form, and the other side we're going to just multiply by the whole number 2. We're left with x equals, remember we have to multiply, 9 times 2, which is 18. X equals 18. Now it's time to pause the video and complete the rest of the problems on your own. When you're ready, turn the video back on and check your work against the answer key. Please pause the video now. Now that you're done, let's check your work. Number 1, A equals 11. Give yourself a C or a star if it's correct. Number 2, x equals 9. Number 4, A equals 20. Number 6, n equals 63. Number 7, b equals 50. And number 8, x equals 80. This concludes page 12 of your packet.